I see these things pop up on LinkedIn every now and then, and I often play with them or experiment with them and forget to tell you about them. So I'm going to show you this new one that I just saw before I play with it. So you can see a friend of mine, Abby Donnelly, comment on Julianne Cooper's post about Abby's a book and her book launch that she just had. And look, there's a connect button right there. Now, I'm not going to click on that one, but I'm going to scroll down here because look down at the bottom here is connect with Julianne to see their updates and stay in touch on LinkedIn. Growing your network by connecting with members you know and trust. Grow your network by connecting. Well, I don't know Julianne Cooper. I think she's probably a decent lady. She's connected to another friend of mine, and she actually went to the book launch I was at. So I can hit the X and tell that to go away, but I want to hit the connect and show you what happens. So let's see what happens when I hit the connect. It sends out an invite to Julianne Cooper with no message, which is against everything I believe in, because I think that's just absolutely rude to do that. So now I've got to go clean that mess up. And I hate that. I wish that LinkedIn wouldn't do that, because Julianne doesn't know me from Adam's house cat. So I'm going to go clean it up, and I'm going to clean it up by commenting on Julianne's post so she knows who I am. If I want to clean it up further, it's a tedious task to go to my sent invites and withdraw it, but I'll worry about that later. So now that I've cleaned it up by saying hello to Julianne, here's my note. Don't click on these things. Don't click on this. Don't click on this until LinkedIn cleans it up and allows us to put a personal note. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator dude. Have a great day.